said, "Sir, are you ready for Christmas? The day's coming soon. And oh, what does Christmas mean to you?" He said, "Well, boy, let me tell you, I've seen a lot come and go. Some have had sunshine, and others there's been snow. And after 80 years, there's been joy and there's been tears. You ask me if I'm ready, if the Lord's willing, I am. 'Cause I believe that Christmas is something you should celebrate. I believe that Christmas should be celebrated every day. Jesus died for you and me. That's the reason why Christmas should be always on our mind. Some folks it's just a holiday, but to us it's the perfect one. Came and bled and died so the life crown could be won. And I believe that Christmas is something you should celebrate. But I believe that Christmas should be celebrated every day. See, boy, it goes hand in hand with how we live through the week. It's not just on Sunday when you turn the other cheek for a daily walk by His hand. It's the reason we're all on this land. If only y'all could see the Christmas that I believe. 'Cause I believe that Christmas is something you should celebrate. But I believe that Christmas should be celebrated every day.